you know you can make up to $3,000 a month just by typing online? Yes, indeed. And you don't need any degree and no fancy skills. However, you do need a laptop or computer keyboard and a good internet connection. So then, whether you're a fast typer or just getting started, I'm about to show you 10 legit online typing jobs that pay well. And I'm also going to give you the websites where you can go and sign up today. So grab your notepad and let's get into it. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. Please do go ahead, like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends and family to help your girls' channel grow. It's free and it'll help the YouTube algorithm to push this video out to others like you looking to make money online. Also, I'll drop my link in the description below where you can get my free 54 digital product ideas for beginners to start making money online. So let's get into it. Number one, transcription jobs. So first up, we have transcription jobs, and this is where you listen to audio or video and type out what you hear. For sure, there are companies out there who need accurate transcripts for podcasts, interviews, and meetings. How much money can you make? Beginners earn $15 an hour, but with experience, you earn $30 an hour or more. So working 20 hours a week equates to $2,400 a month. So then, full-time, you will earn $3,000 plus, and that's quite easy. Companies you can apply to are rev.com. They're beginner-friendly and offer flexible work. Transcribe Me pays up to $22 an hour for high-quality scripts. You have Go Transcript, which is great for international workers. So here's a pro tip. Use free tools like otter.ai to speed up your work. On to number two, which is captioning jobs. This is like transcript, but instead it's for videos. You will add subtitles to the videos, Netflix shows, and online courses. If you love movies, then this one's for you. The pay rates are beginners, $20 an hour. Experienced captioners is $40 an hour. So then the best sites to apply for are rev.com. Yes, they also do captions. You've got Van and Captioning. These are high-paying jobs for TV shows. You've got 3Play Media, which is great for flexible work. So here's a pro tip. Use captioning software like AGSub to make the process faster. So number three, we have virtual assistant typing tasks. So if you're organized and love helping others, then why not become a virtual assistant? You'll do tasks like replying to emails, managing schedules, and typing reports. So income potential is around $15 an hour for beginners and $35 an hour with experience. So as a full-time VA, you can make $5K plus per month easily. So the best platforms to apply for are Belay Solutions. They pay well but require some experience. We've got Time, etc., which are perfect for beginners. We also have Upwork and Fiverr, where you can set your own rates. So number four is freelance writing. If you can type and express ideas well, writing is one of the highest paying typing jobs. There are companies out there looking for people like you to come up with blog posts, product descriptions, and emails. So how much money can you make as a beginner? Well, $50 an article. So experienced stroke experts earn $200 per article. So with just 45 articles a week, that's $3,000 a month easy. So where to find these jobs? Text Broker pays per word. Pro blogger jobs, they have high paying gigs, and you've still got Fiverr and Upwork, and again you set your own rates. So the bonus tip is use AI tools like Chat GPT for idea generation, but you should always edit for originality. So number 5 is data entry. If you can type fast, then data entry is a simple way to earn money. You'll put information into spreadsheets and databases or customer records. So pay rates are beginners $12 to $20 an hour, with experience $25 to $40 an hour. The best websites for data entry jobs are Clickworker. They pay per task. You've got Impulse data entry, no experience is required, but you do need a smartphone and they pay really well. So number 6, online chat support. If you love chatting to people, then why not help customers through live chat instead of calls, and no phone required? Pay rates $15 an hour for beginners, $25 an hour for experienced reps. If you go full time, that's £3,000 to £4,000 per month. So where to apply? Site staff chat pays well for customer support. Working nomads, they are great for beginners. We've got live chat and they pay even more for bilingual chat agents. So number 7 is proofreading and editing. So if you have an eye for detail, then proofreading is for you. It's straightforward and you'll correct grammar, spelling, and typos in documents. So how much can you earn? So you've got $20 an hour for beginners, $50 an hour for professionals, and full-time you'll easily earn up to $4,000 a month. So the best platforms are Proofreading Pal. They pay really well for experienced proofreaders. You've got Scribby Bendy. They are beginner friendly. Fiverr and Upwork, you get to set your own rate. So your tip, use Grammarly to speed up your work. So on to number 8, which is microtasking, typing jobs. So for sure, you can get paid to type simple things like product descriptions, surveys, and small tasks. Where to find these jobs? Amazon Mechanical Turk offers simple typing tasks. Clickworker, they pay per micro tasks. We've got Appen. These are for AI related tasks. How much money can you make? $500 a month with light work, up to $3,000 to $4,000 per month if you're consistent. So number 9 is blogging. This is a good time as any for you to start a blog and make money through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorship. So here's how to get started. You pick a niche such as finance, travel, fitness, etc. You write blog posts which are SEO friendly, monetize with Google AdSense and affiliate links. So your potential earnings for new bloggers, you'll start off with $500 per month. For experienced bloggers, that's £3,000 to £4,000 per month. So the best platform to start are WordPress and Bluehost. They are best for those who are serious bloggers. So on to number 10, which is self-publishing. Do you know you can write short ebooks and sell them on Amazon, Etsy, or Gumroad? Just keep it simple and use AI such as Chat GPT to help you. So how much money can you make? Over $500 a month with a few books. That's $3,000 to $4,000 a month if you publish consistently. So the best places to publish are Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. We've got Etsy, digital planners and guides. We've got Gumroad, which are perfect for selling PDFs. So pro tip, use Chat GPT to outline books and then go on to Canva and open up a free account with Canva to design your covers. So guys, comment below which ones you're trying first. Just let me know in the comments below if you found this helpful. So hit that like button, subscribe and share for more ways to make money online. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.